You don't need thousands of dollars to start building wealth. Even $100 can be the foundation of a robust financial future if invested wisely. Let's dive into 5 smart ways to invest $100 and maximize its potential. 1. Buy fractional shares. Own pieces of big companies. Ever dreamt of owning shares in companies like Amazon, Tesla, or Google but felt they were out of reach? Fractional shares make it possible. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Webull allow you to purchase small portions of high-value stocks with as little as $1. Why it's smart: diversifies your portfolio and lets you invest in industry leaders. Pro tip: use your $100 to buy fractional shares in a mix of stable companies and high-growth stocks for balanced growth potential. 2. Invest in low-cost ETFs. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, provide a way to invest in a basket of stocks, bonds, or other assets with a single purchase. Many ETFs, like those tracking the S&P 500, offer diversified exposure to the stock market. Why it's smart: ETFs reduce risk by spreading your investment across multiple companies. Pro tip: choose ETFs with low expense ratios, such as Vanguard's VU or Schwab's SCHB, to keep costs down and returns higher. 3. Open a high-yield savings account. If you're not ready to take on the risk of investing in the market, consider parking your money in a high-yield savings account. Online banks often offer interest rates far above traditional savings accounts. Why it's smart: your money earns interest without any risk. Pro tip: look for accounts offering an APY of 3% or more. Your $100 can grow safely while you explore other opportunities. 4. Invest in yourself. Sometimes, the best investment is in your personal growth. Spend $100 on a course, book, or workshop to learn valuable skills like coding, investing, or marketing. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Masterclass offer affordable learning options. Why it's smart: knowledge and skills can increase your earning potential exponentially. Pro tip: choose skills that align with your career goals or explore high-demand industries like tech or finance. 5. Try micro-investing platforms. Apps like Acorns or Stash make investing simple by rounding up your spare change or letting you invest small amounts. Some platforms even allow you to start building a portfolio with just $5. Why it's smart: easy to use and designed for beginners, micro-investing makes the process less intimidating. Pro tip: automate your contributions to grow your account steadily over time. Bonus: combine and reinvest. If you can, set aside $100 every month and reinvest the returns from your initial investments. Whether it's through dividends, interest, or skill development, reinvesting will accelerate your financial growth. Starting small doesn't mean thinking small. With these strategies, your $100 can become the stepping stone to greater financial independence. The key is to start now and stay consistent, because every great financial journey begins with a single step. Let your $100 work for you today.